Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a country that the country is Japan. So, about the Japan country, they have tradition and have so many famous innovation like in robotic, cars and electronics, as well as its culture and discipline. So in Japan, they have so many tradition like being polite to other people and something like that. Not just that, they have many invention in technology from cars, vending machine, and even train. So they combine modern pop culture such as music and cartoon. However, Japan faced problems like an aging population, poor pressure, and slow social change. So in Japan, people choose to be not marriage or child free. That make the population decrease years by years. And then the work pressure. The work pressure is really hard in Japan that you can work 2 days straight, no rest. So yeah. Yes. And even so, Japan remains a strong and inspiring nation that balance progress with tradition. Okay, the history of Japan. So Japan began as a small kingdom influenced by China and Korea for centuries. Samurai and shogun ruled the country in 1868, and the major restoration modernized Japan and turned into a powerful nation. And Japan also joined the World War II, that he almost conquered half half of the world, but lost to America because the country get atomic bomb. But in 1945, Japan rebuilt quickly and became one of the world leading countries with the technology and economy. Despite of the loss in the World War II, Japan still one of the world with the greatest technology and great economy. Okay, so the culture of Japan. So one of the culture is the tea ceremony. So one of the famous tradition is the ceremony, so called Shanoyu. It is not only about the meeting, but also showing respect, peace, and mindfulness. Every movement how the tea is made, served, and received. So this ceremony made to for those who want peace, and it also showing respect to the work that have been so peaceful. And then mindfulness is and done with care and harmony. The tea ceremony reflects Japan's value, simplicity, and patience. So this ceremony reflect that Japan is always respecting in the patience of the people and the simplicity of the world. And it's the beauty of the small thing. It teaches people to slow down and appreciate the moment. Okay. So Japan have one capital city, that is the Tokyo. So Tokyo is the capital city of Japan and one of the most modern city in the world. Uh, so it's known for the technology in there, like there is so many tall building, business, technology, and fashion. So in there, like if you know, in the building there is will be a hologram that will show ads like 3D. So the ads will looks like come out, but it's actually just a screen. And then not just that, they have they have train too in there. So Japan is one of the country who use train for daily activity to go to work or more. And then when it's night time, it will be a bright neon light in the city. So also, Tokyo City is also a center for technology, business, and fashion in Japan. Even though it's very modern, Tokyo keeps its tradition, uh, like traditional festival beside busy streets. The city show how Japan blend the old and the new perfectly. Yeah, so not just the modern thing in the Tokyo, but Japan also uh, maintaining their traditional activity like the festival every year. Okay, and then for the next is the spot in Japan, the Fuji Mountain. So Mount Fuji is the highest mountain you can find in Japan, standing around 3,772 meters. It's an active volcano, but it hasn't erupted since 1707. The mountain is the national symbol of Japan and is often seen in art, poems, and photographs. Many people climb Mount Fuji during summer to watch sunrise from the top. It is called Garaiko. Its perfect shape and peaceful view makes it one of the most beautiful spots in the world. Okay, so now for the food, Japan have sushi. So sushi is one of the most Japanese famous food in the world. It is made from vinegar, rice, combined with raw fish, vegetable, or egg. There are many types of sushi, such as nigiri, rice with fish on top, maki, rolled with seaweed, and sashimi, the slice of raw fish. Sushi is not only delicious but also show Japanese value of freshness, balance, and beauty in the food. Okay, and then the festival of Japan, Hanami, is one of the most famous festival. It celebrates the beauty of cherry blossom, called sakura, which bloom in spring during Hanami. People gather in park to sit under the trees, eat food, and enjoy time with family and friends. The festival reminds people that life is short and beautiful, just like the blossom that only lasts for a few days. Okay, for the fun fact, in Japan, trains are known for being extremely on time. Even a delay of 1 minute is considered serious, and the train company will often apologize to the passenger. This show how much Japanese people value punctuality and respect for the other time. Okay, so maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have mistake about this country. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So